Good day, friends. Welcome to day 22 of the Wisdom Insight from the book of Proverbs. And today I'll be sharing something very important, and I will be going so direct. I will not take so long time because they are so explanatory themselves. Proverbs chapter 22, verse 24 and 26. It says, "Don't make friends with people who have hot, violent tempers. You might learn their habits and not be able to change." Now, you must understand that every time you choose to associate with certain kinds of people, unconsciously you begin to become like them and you begin to build their habits. Maybe at an instance, you have seen someone who used to be very calm, very coordinated. The person is always very delightful, very cheerful. And if this kind of person decides to begin to flock around those who are violent, always willing to fight, always willing to do it, at some point the person will become so shocked at why they become violent at the things they do. Why? Because every connection will begin to become your own personality. You begin to invite the personality of the people that you surround yourself with. That's why the book of Proverbs is trying to counsel that don't make friends with people who have hot or violent tempers. You might learn their habits and not be able to change. In fact, a lot of the times you will see people who walk about with friends, and maybe there are two different ladies or maybe two different guys. They are going on the street. Someone offends one of the other person, and the person chooses to fight. Oh, I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll do that. Sometimes while the friend is trying to be a peacemaker and separate them, he becomes the victim of the battle. So don't become friends. Instead, you can choose to counsel them, give them insight. When they have now changed, then you can really make them close friends. Now, the other part, verse 28 says, never make, verse 25 now, verse 26 now. Don't promise to be responsible for someone else's debt. If you should be unable to pay, they will take away even your bed. Now, anytime you're willing to come and stand in for people for certain things, always make sure that you do well to measure the consequence. Always make sure you look at it real well, that you have the ability to be able to pay back or to be able to address the situation in case the person falls. Like someone wants to borrow money and then they come to meet you, oh, can you sign this for me? Can you stand in for me? And all of that. And you do not really measure. You don't measure the risks. You don't understand the person. You don't understand if the person's risks are vast. You just go ahead. You just sign things and go ahead. At the end of the day, such people will get into trouble. A lot of people have gotten into trouble like that, in which the person they signed for, without reading through the agreement, reading through everything, they just signed for those people. And when those people ran away, these people became the target. So you must really make sure you measure up before you choose to stand in for people. Make sure you have the enough resource in case that person fails. That's it for today. I hope this really bless you. Please do well to really like this video, do well to share with your friends, do well to stay subscribed, and then you will see your life change in no small way. Cheers.